Hey, first-time homeowners, did you know that your bathroom fan gets filthy and that you need to be cleaning it regularly? Well, if not, your bathroom fan gets filthy and you need to be cleaning it regularly. And I'm going to show you how. If you don't plan on taking this moisture and mold mitigating measure right this moment, be sure to hit save so it's there when you do get around to it. Follow these steps. Make sure the fan is switched off, at least at the light panel, but ideally at the breaker for max safety. Grab a ladder and, if possible, have a trusted spotter help you out. Remove the fan cover, typically by first pulling down gently from the sides and letting it hang, then squeezing the metal prongs together on either side to remove it entirely. Wash the fan cover in the sink gently with warm water and a touch of dish soap. Towel it off and let it air dry thoroughly as you move on to the next steps. Grab a toothbrush and vacuum cleaner with a slender attachment. Knock dust loose in the fan compartment with the toothbrush and suck it up with the vacuum. Very gently do the same inside the fan motor or use a vacuum brush attachment. Wipe the compartment clean with a slightly damp cloth. Reattach the fan cover. And there you have it. Your bathroom fan and your conscience are clean. You might be asking yourself why you never knew you were supposed to be doing this and why it's important. For the first, it's your parents' fault, but they were doing the best they could. To the second, your bathroom exhaust fan sucks up all that humidity, steam, and moisture released during hot showers in this enclosed space. Plus, think about what it's filtering out of the bathroom when you're using the fan for odor removal purposes. Accumulation of dirt, dust, and other debris restricts your fan's airflow and makes it less effective and efficient at preventing mold and removing contaminants. Unless, of course, you like breathing bacteria. Me? Not a fan.